Hello, my name's Fire.
Good evening. I'm Ice.
We're going to talk to you about the wonderful world of potato cannons.
Potato cannons.
Please, come. This is our #1 selling product. The big bad boy. It's
The
got
big bad boy!
capable of shooting 7 miles. It has a 6-cylinder multi-electrical firing system that has been devised by us ourselves. This will shoot a potato 700 miles.
It'll take a deer down in 6
seconds. Let's move on. This is also a very popular gun, more accurate than the last. It can be fired with an accuracy of 7 millimeters.
7 millimeters!
Yes, and can be loaded quickly. Also comes with the same firing mechanism. For your lighter jobs, a little not any less accurate and not any less fun, but smaller, is our medium-sized gun called the Medium.
The medium.
And also
Medium.
fired the same way.
Medium.
Now let me explain to you
Medium.
our next gun. Ice, will you do the honors for us?
It's our latest in stock. The Pica Pequeño. Properly translated, that is, the little spicy one. It is the most deadly, highly accurate weapon on the market today. 8 inches, cubic cc, gasoline under pressure will send a spud to the North Pole. Could kill a polar bear in one shot. Most deer rifles can't do that. This is my weapon of choice. Easily acted. Death instantly. And most of all, can be concealed very easily. You don't even know it's there.
Those are for your quick hit jobs. Also, I don't know if you know this or not, but this has been tested and has penetrated the vault doors of Fort Knox.
Twice.
Yes.
Twice.
The power of the Pica Pequeño cannot be measured. And for the all low price of $1 billion,
$1 billion!
you can have the Pica Pequeño.
$1 billion!
Now we are going to demonstrate their destructive power. First, we will fire this most amazing weapon, the Medium, as
The medium.
I have said,
Medium.
using this ramrod shafted out of a Franklin hockey stick.
What kind of fuel is that?
That's napalm, straight
100%
napalm.
napalm.
Ready, fire in the hole. As you can see,
Where did it go?
that probably killed someone.
Straight up.
Twice.
Next time,
Ahorita tenemos el pequeño poquito.
the Pica
Vamos a ver.
Pequeño.
¿Qué puedo hacer?
Amazing.
Mírale. Se matan fuerte.
So, if you are interested in knowing more about these fine class of weapons here, please contact me, Fire or Ice.
Ice.
Thank you very much.
Blue ice.